And when you're applying for jobs, you have to write a ton of cover letters and they have to be like customized and whatever. And so I was like, why don't I just make an app that writes cover letters for me? So I took the ChatGPT AI or API and basically made an app where all you do is you put in a resume, you put in the job description that you're applying for, and it writes you a custom cover letter in like 10 seconds, right? Every time I show that to any employer, they're like, wow, it blows their mind because there's so many different aspects of that. And it's not really anything complicated. Like I'm just using a basic API, input forms, but it just looks good and people see practical use for it and how you took a problem and found a solution for it. And that's, I think, what every employer really wants. They want somebody who's like, okay, I may not know every piece of code under the sun, right? And ultimately, as a developer, you don't need to. Most developers look up everything all the time, right? But you do need to know how to problem solve and like solve puzzles and get to a solution. And so I think from the boot camp perspective, that's the best thing that you can really gain from a boot camp.